In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve Cloudflare Turnstile in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to this or looking to refresh your skills, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Cloudflare website. They offer powerful tools to connect, protect, and build your online presence efficiently. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself if it's your first time visiting. You might see some new updates or features that catch your eye, but we'll focus on what we're here for today. Now, let's move on to logging into your account. Click on the Login button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login details, your email and password, and then hit Enter. It's always a good idea to double-check your credentials if you face any trouble logging in. If everything's correct, you'll be directed to your Cloudflare dashboard. Next, you'll find yourself in the Cloudflare account home. Here you can see an overview of your domains and services. You might notice a lot of information, especially if you manage multiple domains. Don't worry, just follow along, and we'll focus on the task at hand. Scan through the options until you find the Turnstile option in the menu, and go ahead and click on it. Once you're on the Turnstile page, it's time to add a widget. This widget is essential for managing how traffic is filtered through Cloudflare's security protocols, allowing you to offer a seamless experience to legitimate users while keeping threats at bay. When you spot the Add Widget button, click on it, and a new configuration page will open up. On this configuration page, you can customize your widget settings. This is where you define how stringent you want your Turnstile security to be. Make sure to tailor it to fit your specific website needs, balancing user experience and security. You can select options like the level of challenge to pose to users and how often it should appear. Once you're satisfied with your configurations, save your settings. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the setup of a Cloudflare Turnstile widget. Take a moment to marvel at how this simple addition empowers your website with an extra layer of security, while ensuring your genuine users can access your content effortlessly. Remember to check back periodically for updates or make adjustments as needed to align with your evolving security needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in setting up Cloudflare Turnstile. If you found this useful, feel free to like or subscribe for more straightforward guides and tutorials. Have a great day, and happy surfing!